Sometimes people refer to people and things they value with the phrase me wife or me car, etc. What they actually mean is, if you hurt my wife or my car, etc., you hurt me. In this sense of the word, my equals me, even if the people or things we refer to are not part of our own body. If any one of the people or things we refer to is threatened, our whole body undergoes a neurobiological stress reaction, preparing us to defend ourselves, even though the relevant person or thing may not even be part of our own body. When listening to others, make sure you hear all the my words they use. These words reveal the real person. They reveal who and what the person really values. Remember, my equals me. If you touch mine, you touch me, and I will always defend myself. I'm Dr. Johan Martin, and I'm sharing narrative care communication ideas.